Yeah, so Nathan, we have started the recording. So welcome to this is our one-to-one
Yes, sir.
short call, and I really welcome. So Nathan, can you just tell me about yourself quickly in another 1 or 2 minutes?
My name is Nathan Dias. I'm in standard level. I'm studying in RD National College, and my ikigai is to become a chef.
Awesome. So how was your experience with the Ikigai course?
Sir, it was basically one of the best moments which I had never experienced in my life. Means I had never thought about it anything. It was something unpredictable. It just came to me like goof. I couldn't means that day on the Sunday that was the best ikigai session I ever had in my life. It was one of the
Awesome.
best sessions.
Awesome, Nathan. So I'll tell you, you are the luckiest person actually who actually able to understand his Ikigai and understand what exactly you want. Now see, that's what I'm just sharing the screen. It's not my work. 7 characteristics of the successful chef. Now we done the prism map test, correct? So you are at least have the basic idea about prism
Yes,
map now, correct? So we done the so many tests
yes,
actually.
yes.
People, you remember, see your Vata Pitta Kapha. So your Vata is 1, your Pitta is 7, and Kapha is 2. Correct?
Four,
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 four.
four.
Fine, fine. So you are mainly the Kapha and Pitta personality. Now see what we are doing now. Please understand, it's going to be the life-changing moment for you and me also. So please understand, one
Okay,
part is done. Second part, we done the disc test. You remember that one, disc test. In that one, we talk about the people-oriented
yes.
people, task-oriented, and then task-oriented, people-oriented, or then afterwards, introvert, extrovert. So what was your personality?
Yes, yes.
Did you remember?
Extrovert.
Extrovert. Awesome. Now shape is okay, perfectly fine. Are you people-oriented persons or you are the task-oriented? What was your result into
People
that test?
oriented, sir.
People-oriented. Awesome. Now,
Yes.
yeah. Afterward that I told you about gap analysis also. But anyway, as of now, you are in a 11th standard, so gap analysis is not really matter for
Yes,
you.
that's why I'm not told to not do. Yes.
No problem. So we have the all basic informations to understand your personality. Now
Yes.
comes to the important part, your prism map. I'll show you your prism map also now, and then I'll describe. But before going to the prism map, this is from the Google. I just type what are the qualities of a shape, successful shape.
Hmm.
The 7 characteristics of successful
Hmm.
organizational skills is an executive shape.
Okay.
Your job is about more than just cooking the food.
Okay.
Second is willingness to accept criticism,
Okay.
because not every time your dish will be the good one or your dish will be the very famous,
Best.
correct? Sometimes
Yes.
some challenges will become.
Yes. Yes.
Then ability to
Yes.
handle the high stress environment, which is very, very important
Okay.
characteristics. Now, please understand these are the things which will be interrelated with your Vata Pitta Kapha test, will interrelate it with your DISC test, will interrelate with the PRISM test also now, and then we'll get a lot of clarity. And then you can design your plan exactly how you acquire these skills and which is the missing areas and how you can go and how you can reach to that 5% top people in the world into this area. Then ability to handle the high stress environment, curiosity and desire to learn more. Understand, this is very important characteristics. Now understand curiosity and desire to learn more, because it is not that you know 5 dishes and you can do that all 5 dishes, because in 5-star restaurants or the big like hotels or the resorts, a lot of creativity comes in the picture, correct? So Nathan will be
Innovation.
known as a master chef or Nathan will be known as the best chef only when he knows that one key he can create something new, he can have the curiosity and desire to learn more. Then creativity and attention to the detail, please understand this one. Now, right, I'm just sharing these 7 things to your chat. I'm just stopping the sharing now. I'm sharing the 7 things into the chat box now, because this is very, very important to understand the prism map. Got it?
Okay, sir.
Now Nathan is in the
Yes. Yes.
commerce, just because he wants some degree. Now after 12th, Nathan will be do the
Yes.
hotel management course and like a master chef course and
PET.
everything. Yeah, so he will take a decision on that part. That is our next step. But now let's analyze what is meant by the ikigai. Ikigai is not only the career only. Ikigai is the things which is actually fulfill your life, give you the happiness to do it. Now, when the Nathan really feel that one, he want to really, really work, and that euphoric moment when Nathan understand, oh, I want to become a master chef. I want to really create miracle, and that is my passion. Now comes to the important point. I'm going to use some important points to you now. So let's discuss your prism map. And I hope you are fine to discuss your prism map and you are fine to record this session, correct? Absolutely good.
Yes. Yes. Yes, sir.
Okay, so
No
I'm
worries.
just sharing your screen now. So friend, this is your prism map now. First thing
Yes.
now, I little bit have concern now in this prism map because the skew is there. The skew score. Did you see the skew? The skew is 8.1%. Now see, this skew is
Yes. Yes.
actually, it should not exceed like this much. It should not exceed 7. Because what happened actually when it
Okay.
exceeds the 7, then actually you are contradicting your own statement. So because I
Okay.
has little bit doubt after seeing your map, that's what I told you. So it is 80% correct, but 20% maybe it is not absolutely fine. But as of now, it is okay. So I am just taking the best value.
Okay.
If you see now your prism map, there is a green. Now green is the quadrant of the inspiration, creativity, imagination, pursueness, optimism, liveliness, correct? So now green is the one of the
Yes.
most important characteristics to become a master chef. Please understand.
Okay.
Now in green, there is something a beautiful part. There is a one thing in a green that you have the very good value in the initiation. Did you see in the right side dimension value? Initiation, you have
Yes. Yes.
88 marks, 88 marks, but you have the innovation 30. Now, please write down in your book. There is a two chances exactly because of that you are extrovert. There is no doubt because that is come clear. SD score is correct. But now if you ask me about this innovation part, this is little bit required for to become a master chef. But half of that part is a very high, 88 initiation. It's a very good. You are optimistic, lively, pursuedness, very good imagination also. But now there is a one quadrant like a innovation. Innovation is the one quadrant where creativity plays the role. And if you see that our part, creativity. Now, please understand these are the preferences. This is not a, like a complete structure. So now you have to increase your creativity day by day if you really want to become a master chef in the future. So this is the one part which you require. Second thing, become a master chef, you require a lot of passions. Then you require a lot of patience. You require a lot of kind heart. You should feel that one. You should prepare the food and feed to the people, correct? And that's what you require the blue quadrant. Now if you see the blue quadrant, you are having the good values in the blue quadrant. You are very supportive, and that is the most important skill required for the become a chef that you already had,
Yes.
so that is a beautiful part. Now comes there is a something called as a coordination. Now coordination is another skill you require where you have the 58 as of now, but still it is fine. It is a middle preference. But I will just tell like I will ask you to increase your innovation and increase your coordination little bit.
Okay.
Innovation and coordination. Coordination means is what? Now you are very supportive. You are very good person. You are very kind hearted. But one thing which is missing here is exactly now is you have to be work with the team actually in the future. See, if you are individual chef, there
Yes.
is
Yes.
you will become a very individual chef. But when you want to master chef, the master chef job, he not prepare the food. He give the inputs actually. And there is a team of the chef which work under the master chef. So please understand that is
Okay.
see that perspective, the future. Now you're getting clear about your future. It is not only to become a chef, it's become a
Yes.
master chef, correct? It's not only become a normal chef into the hotel. It is become a master chef, correct? So this coordination has to be increased. Now coming to the third part. Now delivery and focusing. As of now, master chef, maybe you don't really become a so red or aggressive. So it is absolutely fine. But if you want to start your own restaurant and you want to start your own resort, then this red is also required higher. Now red is your focusing is a lower preference actually 39 or the middle preference into the delivery also. It is not that you cannot do, you can do it, but you require to give a lot of efforts into this direction. Now, if you want to work under somebody or you want to work with some resorts or some groups, it is absolutely fine. But if you really want to start your own restaurant, one hotel or one resort, then you require red very high.
Okay.
If that is there, because it's red is actually indicates that result orientation, include about the team handling, include about the
Okay.
aggressiveness a little bit actually that you require if you want to become a businessman
Okay.
or entrepreneur. At least that quality somewhat should require. Now, another part
Okay.
which is required to become a chef is that you require to be have the uh, mindset to see the details. Now, if you see
Okay.
your 70 and 60 in the gold quadrant, that is a finishing and evaluation. So now already you are near about close to the higher preference. So you have this quality also. So if you ask me now, I will tell you that when your map is indicating everything, go with this map. This itself is a very big thing. But now if you ask me now, in this part, you are already in the perfect direction. Only things I'll suggest you to little bit increase your creativity quadrant. That is nothing but your innovation quadrant, and increase your little bit of the
Innovation.
coordination. Coordination means sometimes what happen, sometimes you are individually very good, but when it comes to the team, then some people are not get comfortable. So try to adapt that one. And anyway, you are very young, 16 years old. So you have a lot of time to learn, and this map can be changed in 1 year. So now coming to
Okay.
this point, I want to know you have any questions till now. So if you have any questions till now, let me
No,
know.
sir.
No, I want you to stand up now.
Okay.
I want you to stand now first and start jumping for the some 20 times, because I'm going to give something new to you. So before that one, jump for the
Okay.
20.
20 times. Okay.
Yeah. Jump up for 20 times, create your physiology. Jump and try to touch to the sky. Try to touch to the sky. This is very, very important to create physiology, to get more clarity, get more perspective now, and get more clarity. Yes. Even
Done.
yeah, in that 7 characteristics, can you see there is a one thing, physical stamina. Physical stamina is also the one
Yeah.
of, did you see that one? There is a one characteristics. So you have to be do exercise also, you have to be,
Yes, yes, I see.
because actually shapes ka 80% time of the work is happen in the standing position, not in a sitting position.
Yes, yes.
And they require a lot of physical activity also, correct? When they prepare the dish, they do something cutting, whatever is maybe, depends on that one. So just I'm
Yes,
giving
yes.
example. Now we are going to the final phase of the ikigai. Final phase of this ikigai. Please just close your eyes now. Close your eyes now. Take a deep inhalation, deep exhalation. Inhale deeply, exhale deeply, as deep as possible. Now today is the 2021. Nathan is a 16-year-old. Now Nathan is a 16-year-old. Now after 5 years, when Nathan completed his courses, his graduation in the area which will make him a shape. Now you are in exactly in 2026. Now just try to see that one. You become a shape. Now you become a shape. You are living your passions. You are living your ikigai, your profession, your love, what you are good at, what you really like to do, your health set, your mindset, your heart set. Everything is combining, and you are really, really moving to that same direction which you want to go. But now just try to visualize where you are standing now. And we are going to answer, we are going to visualize the 3 questions now. Now, definitely, you got the clarity. So just see that one after 5 years, where you are standing, what you are doing. Just take a 2 minutes, keep on breathing, visualize yourself after 5 years, where the Nathan is standing. He's become a shape now. His internship is over, and he started his professional life. So see where he's got a break, what he's doing. Just see that what you are exactly like to experience, and you are doing the exploration now. Just be with yourself. It is 2026, month of February, after 5 years. Where Nathan, what Nathan is doing. Now Nathan is very clear about 3 things exactly. He knows that one now. He want to pursue the area of this particular. Even he has a 700 crore rupees, even he has a 6 months to live. Even he knows that one he will be succeeded whatever he do. He is going to do the same thing what he's decided today. He's finalized his ikigai. He decided that one how you going to live his future life. Now see that one visualization. What and how you see that one. Please just explore yourself what you are standing after 5 years. Remember that whatever comes to your mind, what images comes to your mind. Now just imagine after 10 years, it is exactly February 2031. After 10 years, where Nathan is standing, what Nathan is doing. Take your time and just feel after 10 years. And please remember whatever is coming to your mind, what images, what sound, what smell, what dishes, which hotel, which restaurant, which five-star restaurant, which resort, where you reach to your career life. Everything is very clear to you. Remember what you've seen at the end of the 5 years. Remember what you've seen at the end of the 10 years. Try to see that one exactly. You are seeing your images, you are seeing the voice, you are hearing people what they're talking about you, how the customers are praising you, how the management is giving you the promotion, what exactly is happening, where you reach into that one. You are seeing everything very clearly. Try to recollect all these images. What type of clothes you are wearing, how you look like, what is your happiness level, what is your emotional level. Which car you are driving, which house you are staying, how much money you are earning. Let's have the clarity exactly. You are very clear about all this aspect. How you are helping the people, what love, what passion you are feeding the people, the dishes what you prepared, what level of your YouTube channel is reach, how many followers you have on the Instagram, Facebook, Twitter, how you are helping other people to become a chef. Get clarity about everything. Start deep inhalation, deep exhalation. Keep on these things. Absolutely remember everything. You remember each and everything what you've seen after 5 years and 10 years now. Recollect them now. Thanks to the God, thanks to the universe, thanks to the everyone, thanks to your parents, thanks to your body, mind, and soul for giving such a beautiful experience of the life. Thanks God for showing you the so much of clarity at such a young age. Now recollect that one. Very gently, slowly start palming. Generate the heat in both the palm. Put your both palm on your eyes. Apply that heat around the eyes. Massage your forehead, face. Slowly open your eyes. And just describe what you've seen after 5 years and what you've seen after 10 years. So you have to say me.
Actually, after 5 years, I've completed my course in hotel management. I've done my hotel management in the Asia's best college, that is IHM Mumbai. And after my placements, I'm in the hotel JW Marriott, being a chef at an
Wow.
internship level.
Awesome.
And after yes, and
Hmm?
after 10 years, I see I'm working under the best chef, that is Chef Vikas, under me.
Vikas Khanna, is it?
Uh,
Vikas Khanna, correct? Vikas
yes,
Khanna.
yes.
Yeah, okay. Hmm.
Uh, I'm driving a Rolls Royce.
Oh, awesome. Hmm.
Then I'm seeing I'm having an penthouse in Goa, uh,
Awesome.
and I'm still working in JW Marriott, but as a chief, as a bigger chef,
Awesome. Mhm.
and all the celebrities and different people are come to eat food of JW Marriott. And
Mm, very clear, very structured, very nice. Now I think so, Nathan, you are exactly on the beautiful part. I'll tell you that when in age of 16, getting this clarity and seeing your vision and living your ikigai. Now please understand only 5 points from my side. First part, everyday exercise. Please write down these 5 points. Your takeaway for in this part. Everyday five, like everyday exercise is must for you if you really want to be become a very good shape. Second things, do something which will be increase your creativity. Third thing, which is very important, start like watching the videos or doing something which gives you the how to increase your uh, team participation, means mainly the coordination. I will even suggest to join some courses which will be improve your coordinations with the people around you. And that's it. And the fourth one, start your own YouTube channel where you will start sharing your recipe just now,
okay, from today.
from today itself. So launch your YouTube channel, launch your Facebook page, and everywhere. And you'll be every time into the area where you're going to talk about the food or the dishes and everything like that way, because that is what gives you the happiness. So that's it. I think so. This one, and write all these goals, create a vision board of it now. How will create the vision board? Now you are seeing your photo. You can just do the Photoshop. You are seeing yourself with Vikas Khanna. You are seeing yourself in GW Marriott. You are driving that Rolls Royce. So create that vision board and put in front of you now. 5 years, I done this one. Best college in the Asia. Indian Hotel Management. What is that? I also don't know. What is the name of that college? IHM, right?
IHL.
Yeah, that's what Indian. Yeah, IHM. So you have to do the all the hard work to go to the IHM now. What they require, the characteristics,
Yes.
entrance examination, how much you have to study, which class you have to join. So be clear on that part. So that's beautiful. That so
Yes.
IHM, then your internship, and then 10 years, and then you are staying in the penthouse and everything. Create your vision board, because if you have that vision board, you will be never miss a single day. You will not even miss a single minute of your life, and that's it. So any message for the people actually? So we'll upload this video to the young people to get that motivation, to get that clarity. So I just want your final message about our Ikigai program and how you feel now when your vision is so clear now.
Actually, I would like to say Ikigai program is must for everyone, means whoever is starting their career, it is must for everyone because half of the people, 80% of the people are never, what do you say, never clear about their Ikigai and they just do work as in to get a good salary or a good package. Means they don't get happiness. They might be waiting for a day means where they can relax. But in Ikigai, you can enjoy every moment of the work that you are doing. So it is very important to know your Ikigai and to work with that thing only. It is difficult also means because what we think it is not in our hands. But if you work up to that, you can almost become what you have thought, and you can come in the 5% of the best in the world.
Awesome. Awesome. And what is your experience about the Prism map? So it was really challenging to fill that one.
Yeah, it was really challenging because it is like first I have to fill what is the most important, what is the least important, what is the most. So it was little challenging, but it took a little bit of time also. But means when you get results from them, result from that, it feels like you have used every single penny and every second of the time that, and it has gone very purely. And I'm really happy. Thank you, Rakesh sir. Thank you,
Awesome.
Ashok sir.
Thank you, Nathan. See you in your JW Marriott in 2031. I will be come there, like in my
Yes, sir.
helicopter. I'll come in my helicopters to your hotel
Yes, yes,
and we'll have the meet there. Okay. So all the best. So thank you
yes,
very
sir.
much. Just enjoy. Thank you. God bless you. Thank you very much.
Bye. Bye.
Thank you. Take care. Bye bye. Bye. Thank you.